How to teach your kids to be safe online. Children are major targets for activity. Must teach kids how to avoid social engineering scam online. When I was a teenager, my online world was limited to traveling, Star Trek message board, and chat room looking for people may again to talk about my very specific interest. My parents allowed me to roam freely on the internet, but I do not wander very far. I primarily used online tools for schoolwork, and most of my chat messages were from school friends. My parents did a minimal job of monitoring my activity online. I remember my dad warning me not to accept file transfer from stranger, but beyond that, I was free to explore to my heart content. Today, online landscape is much different from the world of the early, along with the of porn and predator in online social space. There's also plenty of other harmful activity lurking just below the surface in the form of scams, specifically aimed at children. Teaching kids how to safely navigate the internet guys behind installing parental control software on their device to block parasite crafty can get around parental control by using social engineering to kids into their traps. According to a recent FBI Internet Crime Center report, crime against children increased by in 2020. Furthermore, from 2015 to 2020, the FBI got closer to reports concerning online crime targeting children, totaling more than 2 million in losses. In a separate report from companies, the company found 6 out of 10 children between the ages of 8 and 12 cyber risks online. That same reports show that educating children about the impact of cyber threats is an effective way to mitigate some of the dangers. I recently chatted with Jens, a research manager at we have reviewed the company VPN software VPN about some of the specific risks children face, and the role of education in creating a safer world for everyone online. Janice told me that teaching kinds to support social engineering schemes in is important. Kids can be a bit more naive and more to pressure. He said, let's say you presented yourself as a police officer online. You may be able to track a kid into giving up key information about or other. Online gaming world is also ripe with criminal schemes targeting children. And said there are in game purchases, kids are used to exchanging goods and service for money, but they may not be able to tell official vendors from black market seller. If you trust your kid with your credit card, teach them how and when to use it online. Get them to only buy game from licensed official vendor, and to avoid anyone asking them to pay for gaming goods or service via chat or social media sites. Scammer may use a phishing link to kids into giving up information or money via in-game chat or SMS message.